Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Selldo CRM for real estate professionals. So, if you are a real estate agent, a broker, or property manager, this website will help you streamline your lead management, client interactions, and property sales processes. So, in this comprehensive guide, I'll take you through the key features of this website and how you can use them effectively to boost your real estate business. So, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage leads, automate tasks, and optimize your sales process. So, the first thing you need to do here, guys, is to open your browser and visit their official website. Then, right after that one, you need to enter your login credentials, for example, your email and password, to access your dashboard. And if you are new here, you may need to sign up and set up your profile with company details. And once logged in, you will land on their dashboard, which provides an overview of your lead tasks and recent activities. So, the dashboard here, guys, is customizable. You can arrange it according to your workflow preferences. So, on managing leads efficiently, guys, you can perform several actions here. You can add new leads manually by entering their contact details and property interest. Import leads in bulk from an Excel sheet to save time. Automatically capture leads from your real estate website, social media, or third-party integrations. Then you can also assign leads to your team members based on their expertise and availability. And then track the status of leads, for example, new, contacted, or closed, in order for that to monitor progress. So, by setting up automated follow-ups, it is crucial to improve conversion rates. You can configure email or SMS follow-ups so that no potential client is left unattended. So, on managing clients and interactions, the customer section, guys, stores all information about your clients, including contact details, property preferences, tasks, interactions, including emails, calls, and the messages. So here you can use these Selldo's built-in communication tools to send emails and SMS message directly from the platform, schedule follow-up calls and meetings, keep a record of past communication, to personalize future interactions. So here, a well-maintained customer database helps in building long-term relationship and increasing client satisfaction. So on managing property listings, so here's what you can do. You can add new properties with complete details, including images, videos, pricing, and the features. So you can also categorize properties based on your type of the property. For example, it is residential, commercial, or a rental. So you can assign properties to specific leads based on their preferences. Here, you can also track property inquiries and see how many potential buyers are interested in a particular listing. So here, you can keep your property database updated and ensures that your team can quickly match leads to available listings. So on automating workflows to save time, you can also see it here. And then monitoring performance with analytics and reports. So on this website, they have their reports and analytics to track your team's performance, and integration and additional features, which is the accounting software. And that's a wrap, guys, on Selldo CRM tutorial. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate CRM guides.